Hey everyone! On the Wellness channel today, I'll show you how to check the battery health on Windows 11. And it works the same way on Windows 10. You need to open CMD. Go to Start, type CMD, open the command prompt, and enter or type out the full command. There it is, battery report/output. And here you type the folder where it will be saved. Press enter. And as you can see, it's been saved. Next, go to, in my case, the C drive. Just a heads up, you need to open the command prompt as administrator, otherwise it won't show up. Then simply open the file that's already in your specified location. Alright. And here you'll see, as you can see, it shows the design capacity from the manufacturer, and below it will show the remaining capacity of your battery, which is its health. Specifically, this battery is already a bit worn. About 65% of its total capacity remains. There you go, that's all for now. This was Wellness. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you.